Let's not sugarcoat it. The Senate killed the 200 peso wage hike bill. Last night was the final session of the 19th Congress. No BICAM, no compromise, no wage hike. And the reason is simple. Ayaw ng Senado makipag-usap. Ang gusto nila, tanggapin na lang ng tao ang 100 pesos nila. Bakit? Bakit binabarya ng Senado ang mga manggagawa? Tumaas ang kilay ng mga BICAM conferees namin nung tanungin kung ano ang nangyari. They were ready to sit down. They were ready to defend the 200 peso proposal and fight for labor, only to find out that the Senate had no intention of meeting at all. We were ready to deliberate. We came in good faith. But what the Senate gave us was a take it or leave it ultimatum. Wala silang balak makipag-usap. Ang gusto nila, susunod lang kami sa gusto nila. That's not how democracy works. And that is not how we should serve the people. This was not a reckless proposal. It was a responsible, well-considered measure. But instead of a dialogue, ang binalik sa amin ay tahimik na pagtanggi at pagmamadali. The people deserve accountability. Hindi ito pagkukulang ng Kamara. Ginawa namin ang aming trabaho. Pero ang Senado, iniwan sa ere ang manggagawa. This is not the end. Hindi bariya ang kailangan ng mga manggagawa. Ang kailangan nila, sahod na makatao, sahod na makatarungan. The House stands with labor, and we will keep fighting.